Okay, question 46 will be abbreviation. Actually that is compare in just formula. A equal B, and you got 1 plus R everything power of n. This is diamond ring average with the value 2.5% per half yearly. So you got initially they ask you that okay, find out the value in the next 20 years. When they say appreciate, that's mean in rate. And because they give you in the form of half yearly, so transfer everything in half yearly then 2.5%. And 20 year, 1 year you have 2 half yearly, so that should be 40 times of installment. And what do they give? 7,000 time for 1 plus 2.5% half 40. We get 18795.45. Okay. R C